Hi guys, my name's Joe Colfar. I'm a drummer. I have been playing drums for about 15 years. Played in various bands down the years, originals and functions, but I'm currently playing for roots reggae outfit, the Gyrators. I'm also playing for punk rock, rock and roll legends, the Witch Doctors with a K. And I'm also playing for UK Irish punk rock outfit, the Lagan. I've also done deps and recorded tracks and done some gigs for various other artists down the years. So yeah, I'm currently playing Collision's 5B Reach. And I absolutely love these sticks, and they're a fantastic stick, and Collision are a fantastic brand. I love the extra length, but really I love the feel and the balance. They really do feel and play fantastically well. The balance of the stick is fantastic. You know, the neck and the tip are great for this 5B, and I also love their just their sense of community, their sense of togetherness, both as a brand and within the drum community. So yeah, here's a little video of me playing. It's a little bit of an older cover of me playing through a song called Drowning by an artist called A Boogie. It's a little bit more of a hip hop number, and it's a little bit more of a overplayed cover, as it were. So yeah, hope you enjoy.
So icy, wonder why she like me, bitch. I'm drowning in water. I just bought a cube and dipped it in a fountain. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show. I'm surrounded. Bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bitch. I'm drowning. I just bought a Cuban ring and dipped it in a fountain. Chain so heavy, I feel like I'm holding up a mountain. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show. I'm surrounded. Bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bitch. I'm drowning.
Just bought a brand new chain from Aviani. Nigga with attitude, but I ain't from Carton. Look cool that bitch, I'm polo down like Carton. Cyber gang, I put a nigga on the carton. I'm the shit, I'm farting. I don't know how to party. Pull up in a Rari, I'm in the yo like Gotti. Hey, boogie, I'm going Scotty. Nigga drop my deposit.